Welcome to Math World. Today let us learn about intersecting lines and parallel lines. Intersecting lines. The lines L1 and L2 pass through a common point O. Here O is the point of intersection of the lines L1 and L2. Since the lines L1 and L2 pass through a common point O, we call these lines as intersecting lines. So here L1 and L2 are intersecting lines. O is the point of intersection of the lines L1 and L2. Thus, if two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Models for intersecting lines are two adjacent edges of your notebook, the letter X of the English alphabet, and crossing rods. Next we will learn about parallel lines. Consider a pair of lines L1 and L2. When we extend the lines L1 and L2 on both sides, they do not meet or intersect, and the distance between the lines L1 and L2 always remains the same. So, lines which do not intersect and have constant distance in between are called parallel lines. Here L1 and L2 are parallel lines. We can write L1 parallel to L2. Lines which are at the same distance everywhere and do not meet anywhere are called parallel lines. Some models for parallel lines are the opposite edges of a ruler, rail lines, and the cross bars of this window. Example. From the given figure, name the parallel lines, intersecting lines, and points of intersection. Solution. Parallel lines. In the given figure, there are three lines: line AB, line CD, and line EF. Consider the lines AB and CD. When we extend the lines AB and CD on both sides, they do not intersect, and the distance between the lines AB and CD remains the same. Hence, the line AB is parallel to the line CD. Therefore, parallel lines are line AB and line CD. Next, we will find the intersecting lines in the given figure. Lines which pass through a common point are called intersecting lines. Here, the line AB and the line EF pass through a common point G. Hence, the line AB and the line EF are intersecting lines. Similarly, the line CD and the line EF pass through a common point H, so that the line CD and the line EF are intersecting lines. Now let us find the points of intersection. The point of intersection of the line AB and the line EF is G, and the point of intersection of the line CD and the line EF is H. Hence, the points of intersection are G and H. Hope this video helped you to learn about intersecting lines and parallel lines. Try to do the practice problems and check it with the given answers.